Assalamu alaikum, and again with mathematics class 5, and we are continuing chapter number 6, that is about decimals. So we have a situation. If we cannot see decimal point in a number, then where is the decimal point? Here we have an example. We have 35. Is it a decimal number, or can we make a decimal number? Yes. We can say that 35 is equal to 35.0. It means that 35 and 35.0 both have the same meaning. And you can also say that 35 equals 0.35. Both have the same meaning. And again, 35 equals 35.0, or you can also say that 35.000. So you can place as many zeros as you want. And same is the case here, 0035. So these zeros and the zeros to the extreme right side of the decimal point, they have no meaning. It means that 35 and 35.0 have the same meaning because this 0 has no value. Here another one, 35 is also equal to 0.35. This 0 has no meaning. So you can write 35 or 0.35 both have the same meaning. And here you can also write 0035. All these have the same meaning. And 35 can be written as 35.0, can also be written as 35.000. Okay? I hope you have understood.